I like to show you recycling ideas for gift wrapping paper and ribbon. Untie the bow and open the present. This is a fun part, right? It's okay to tear it too. This is in general, but some types of paper can be recycled and others cannot. If the paper tears or crumples easily, it's normal paper. But if it doesn't, it's mostly plastic-based paper. Rip off or disassemble gift wrapping paper. Generally, remove all tape from the paper, either it's torn or not. You can also cut it off. If it's a recyclable paper, then put it in the recycle bin for paper. If not, you can shred it to make colorful shredded paper filler, or cut it in square and use it for origami. If you iron the ribbon, you can use it for your next gift wrapping. Roll it up softly and store it in a plastic bag until next time. You can make a beautiful bow again. Here is another option for making ribbon decorations for the holidays. Make one loop and the tail using the ribbon on the right end. Pinch the point together. Wrap the long side ribbon on the left around the point while pressing the ribbon in front neatly. Push it into this fold and pull it out to the left. Keeping the knot loose, roughly adjust the loop and turn it over. On the back, thread the twine through the knot. Tighten the knot from the front side. Pull out the bottom of the right loop and the top of the left loop to tighten. Adjust the bow and trim both tails. Now you have a nice bow decoration. And don't forget to save the box for next time. Every small action improves the environment of the earth.